Students, let us revise number system and solve few of the questions. So question number 1 says, which of the following is irrational? So here root 4 is written by 2, root 9 is 3, so this is rational. Root 12 can be written as root 4 into 3 by root 3, so root 3 cancel, it's only root 4 which is 2, again rational. Root 7 will be represented at that only, and d part root 81 can be represented as 9. So the option here C, root 7 is irrational. Question number 2, express 0.32 bar in the form of P by Q and then find out P plus Q. So we have X as 0.32 bar. So as bar is on 2 digits are repeating. So multiply by 100. So that will be written like this. So subtract this 1 and 2. You subtract 1 from 2. So 99x equals to 32. So X is 32 by 99. So P by Q. So P is 32 and Q is 99. So their sum comes up to be 131. So C option. Now moving to question number 3, root 48 plus root 32 over root 8 plus 12. So root 48, if you know, is 16 into 3. Root 32 is 16 into 2. I'm just simplifying it. Root 8 is 4 into 2 and root 12 is 4 into 3. So root 16 can be simplified as 4. So 4 root 3 plus 4 root 2 by 2 root 2 plus 2 root 3. I hope this step is clear, and I'll take 4 common from the numerator. So that's root 3 plus root 2. 2 from the denominator, root 2 plus root 3. These two cancels out and 4 by 2 becomes 2. So the simplified version of this is 2. You can solve in another ways also, rationalizing the denominator, but I just simplified the roots over here only and took common and did it. Okay. Now question number 4, after rationalizing the denominator of this given irrational number, we get the denominator as, so only the denominator we will work on. So 3 root 3 minus 2 root 2. When you rationalize, you multiply with the opposite sign, if you people remember, because we change the sign and make it a square minus b square identity form. So it will be 3 minus root 3 square minus 2 root 2 square. So that will change to 3 square is 9. So basically it's like this. So 3 into 3 is 9 and 9 3s are 27 and 2 square is 4, 4 2s are 8. So when you subtract 27 and 8, you get 19. So that's your answer. I hope it's clear, students. Yeah. Now simplify. Question number 5 says simplify the following. Root 5 plus root 2 whole square. You know the identity a plus b whole square. So that's a square plus b square plus 2ab. So we are going to use it here. So root 5 plus root 2 whole square can be written as root 5 square plus root 2 whole square plus 2 into root 5 into root 2. So root 5 into root 5, root cancels away, it's 5. Root 2 into root 2 is 2. And this is 2 root 10. You can't cancel the roots here because the numbers are not same. So it is 7 plus 2 root 10. The answer. I hope clear till here, students. Yeah. Now let us move to question number 6. Evaluate. Whenever we have powers in this radical form, so what do? We change it in fractional form. So if you have a to the power of n, so how do you write root a to n? So we write it as n power 1 by a. So radical powers are always in fractions when we remove the root symbol. Okay, so here 343 power minus 2 into 1 by 3, because root 3 is power 1 by 3. Now 343 is 7 cube minus 2 into 1 by 3. So what do we do from here? This 3 and 3 cancels out. Yes, correct. And it is how much? 7 power minus 2, which is 1 by 7 power 2, which is 1 by 49. That's your final answer. Okay, so point here is whenever you have radicals, or basically the square root number actually goes in the power as fraction. Okay, root 5, root 6, right? So they will go into the fractional power. Let's say 5 root x, so that changes as x power 1 by 5. It's the thing. Okay, now question number 7. evaluate this. So 81, 49, they are square of some numbers, yeah, and here in the denominator you have 2. So 89 is 9 square, 49 is 7 square, right? So I'll write it like that, and minus 3 by 2, 2 cancels, so it changes as 9 by 7 power minus 3. Make it positive, power 3. 7 cube 343 I can write, 9 cube is 729. Okay, done with the evaluation here. Now simplify root 5 plus 2 root 6, and that is also ये पूरा root है, root of 5 plus 2 root 6, yeah. So how do we simplify it? So here in this root inside you see it's root 6 and 5 and 6. How? If you remember, 6 can factors of 6, yeah. So what are the factors of 6? 2 and 3, and 5 I can split as 2 plus 3. Can I write like this? Yeah. Now 2. Can I change this 2 to root 2 whole square? This 3 to root 3 whole square. And this becomes root 6. I can break it as root 2 into root 3. Okay. Now if you people can see what have I got here? I got an identity a square plus b square plus 2ab, which is a plus b whole square, and a and b are here root 2 and root 3. So I got root 2 plus root 3 whole square, and that is whole in square root. So square root of square cancels out and you will get only root 2 plus root 3. So we simplified it in this way. So what we did is we split 5 in terms of factors of this 6 inside the root. Okay. So factors of 6 are 2 and 3, and 5 I split as 2, 3. And then those 2 I took it as root 2 whole square, 3 I took it as root 3 whole square. Fine, students. Now express 0.147 bar in the form of P by Q. So here how many digits are being repeated? 3 digits. So we multiply by 1000. Yeah, so it will change to 147.147 bar. So this is 1 and 2. So I'll do subtract 1 from 2. So 1000x minus x equals to 147.147 and 0.147 bar minus, so that's 147, and this is 999x. So x is 147 by 999. So can we simplify it further? Is it divisible by something? Is it divisible by 3? 7, 5, 12. Yes, we can try with 3 first. So it's 3, 3, 3, and 3 4s are 12, and 3 9s are, so it is 49 by 3, 3, 3. So is this divisible by 7? 3, 3, 3? Don't think so. So it is 49 by 3, 3, 3. Okay, students. Now let's move to the last question here. Find the value of a and b if 5 plus 2 root 3 by 7 plus 4 root 3 is a minus b root 3. So what we have to do is we have to rationalize the denominator and simplify this, and then at the end equate the values that we are getting with the RHS. So let's simplify the LHS first. So to rationalize the denominator, we will multiply with the denominator but with opposite sign. We call that as conjugate of that denominator. Yeah, RHS I'm writing with it together. So it will be 5 plus 2 root 3 multiplied by 7 minus 4 root 3, and denominator is a plus b and a minus b form. So I'll change it to the identity form, a square minus b square. So 7 square minus 4 root 3 whole square. So 5 will be multiplied by 7 minus 4 root 3, and plus 2 root 3 will be multiplied by this thing. So over 7 square is 49 minus 4 4s are 16, 16 3s are 48. So how we do it here is 4 root 3 multiplied by 4 root 3, 4 into 4 16, 3 root 3 into root 3 3. So 16 3s are 48. So squaring is like that. Now 5 into 7, let's multiply 35. 5 4s are 20 and root 3 is there. So 2 root 3 into 7 will be 14 root 3, then minus 2 4s are 8 and root 3 into root 3 3. So then this is 1 in the denominator. Here like terms, 35 and 24, yeah. So 35 minus 24 minus 20 root 3 plus 14 root 3 equals to, it was a minus b root 3, right? Yeah. Now, what is 25 minus 24? So that's 11 minus 6 root 3. We got it as a minus b root 3. So from these, if we equate the constant term, a is 11, that's a constant term, and b minus 6 minus, so the term with root 3 is b, so that's, here it is 6, so b is 6. Negative sign we won't take because both are equal. Okay, so I hope it's clear, students, still here. So please revise number system properly. I'll come up with the next video.